Me, Ja Aishenta represent for Michael Super Awesome Channel. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. So the content then drop and you get it first.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlogging showing you people what is going on in St. Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. Viewers and subscribers, right now you see this is a very serious issue because I want to help me with that one, viewers. I want to help me with that one. I don't know who to call upon on this one. If I should call on the MP, the councillor, or the mayor, But we need one of them three there to send somebody come and get this problem solved. Yeah, either the councillor, the mayor, or the MP, if you send somebody. So just share this video so one of them can see it now and them can send somebody. Because look, we have an accident yourself the other day, Accident right yesterday the other day, I may show you if you can observe and look viewers. This is a road that just complete the other day, just finish and hand over to the public, so public can use it and etc. going about the memories. And as you look viewers, you can look on the grass. Look on the grass viewers. If I should tell you there's a whole lot of road in this viewers. Whole lot of road in this, and I wish a vehicle would have come now to show you the danger that it possesses when you go around this corner. Over here, so not too bad. Over here, so not too bad. But mostly over there, so. Viewers and subscribers. You understand? So we need somebody to come and weed it down or cut it down when you know you want to call it. You get what I say? To get rid of this because it possesses a lot of danger. I tell you that. If all a bicycle man a ride, and two car man buck up around us with him in trouble. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, him in trouble. No found not even know the curve and wall all in them places. Take a look at that. If you can see it in this, you see it? Because the bush hide it. The grass hide it or whatever. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah. So we just need enough to share that. We need no help on this, viewers. We need enough to share this video so that, as I said, some authority, I don't know which one for call upon. We now pinpoint out no one person because this is a help we need overall. So anywhere it come from the councillor, the MP, the mayor, we give thanks for it. You get what I say? You see that, viewers? You see it? That is just going around normal. So what if a trucker come with a car going on with a bicycle man or a bike man? You know, we just stand here so look see if we can make you see and understand the danger what this possesses. Because maybe when you just look on it slight out, not many people may look on it slight, but one accident occurred here so just the other day. Because a man come around the corner and doesn't come around the corner and buck up on a vehicle and he swing and he turn over. You know what I say? Swing, turn right over. As in swing, hit the banking, turn right over. You understand? So with the right, me tell you what with the now, with the, as I leave Judy's Gate, we are in St. Thomas, heading to Dunvaspen. Whosoever knows St. Thomas know this side good. When you leave Seaford heading to Trinityville, before you reach Dunvaspen Bridge. As I leave Judy's Gate, come around them corner there, that's where this place is right now where they are talk to now. So we say share it up in our viewers. Yeah. We're glad for the road because whole heap of grass, man. Whole heap of grass take over the road, viewers. Whole heap of grass. Lots of grass take over the road. So we just want, because you want road things stay, you know. Some people feel like, say, fixing road and putting 10-inch asphalt on it or 20 or anything, put even a foot on it, that will make the road last long. That will make it last year, but the right thing to deal with it is maintain it. Maintain it. If you can maintain a road or maintain anything at all that you have in your possession, your car, your vehicle, even you yourself, you serve more longer upon earth. You understand me, answer, viewers? So that's it. This is a very important thing. Maintain. So we see it and we just bring it to our viewers so we see it. Look at the amount of grass. But hang off. Look at the amount of grass, viewers. Lots of grass. Oh, lots of grass. Whole heap of road in there, so go right to the light post, viewers. Yeah, right to the light post. So if so far the light post, they're in. Yes. Alright, see a bus that come here. I saw the bus man have to hug the corner close. So the bus man have to hug the corner very close. In order for Gil come more with over there, sir. He have to hug the corner very, very close, viewers. Just so that little more wheat can over there. So while if this bush should move, cut away and weed away. Yeah, it's not like saying we have taken corner good, but you know, we have to hug it so close. Cause a lot more road as we say in this, viewers. A lot more. So stick and stay and I hope you all enjoy this video, viewers. And I hope you help me out on this one. Cause you don't know which life this may save. Maybe it can be somebody for you. Maybe it can be your friend, can be your family, even your enemy. Yeah, can save him life also. You know, just by sharing this video and someone and we get it clean. We now wait for December to clean up the place. So what? On December alone we know the place is clean. No, we don't want to wait for that. And maybe by the time December come, they have more fatality, much thing going on. So we now wait for that, viewers. So as I say, we now pinpoint no one person. We just want a help from any one of them. Either the councillor, the MP, or the mayor. So just send somebody because this road just and see the grass take it over, viewers. Lots of grass, and as far as you can walk and go and look, grass. As far as you can walk and go and look, viewers. Grass that take over the road. Slowly but surely it a cave in. Slowly but surely it a cave in the road, viewers. Yeah? And if you turn back and look now and look on the side, look from the side, yeah? This is a whole lot of grass hanging out, viewers. Speak your mind down in the comment section, you know, viewers. What do people think? Yeah, so we say share up the video so that some authorities can see it and say yes, I help really need here, so I'm sending it forward. Bless up, hope you all enjoy the video. Bless up each and every one. All who do they do, you know, no one do so just do they do. Like, comment and share, and if you're new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on that post notification bell and put it on all so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed upon the video. Watch more family viewers, manners and thanks are doing so. And remember, all my contact is down in the description, you know, viewers. PayPal. Anybody want to contact me, my number is there also. You understand? WhatsApp. So do they do. So this man have to go around. This one have to go around, viewers.